Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. And today I got a one more problem statement related to the cluster bar chart and how we will see how exactly it is and how we can resolve these things. Before jumping into that, please check out my YouTube page where I have uploaded few videos where I try to solve different problem in the simplest manners. And please subscribe the channel as well if you like it. Now, coming back to the problem statement, what exactly the problem statement is and how we are going to resolve it. So right now, I'm just going to resolve this problem statement in three parts. The first part, let's say if you have a bar chart, okay. If you see right now, like I have just sorted the subcategory by the sales. And if you see it's from like the highest to the lowest, it's there. But if someone comes up to you and says, no, I do not want this thing. I want it should be sorted by, let's say, number of orders for a given subcategory and then sort it out. So what does it means? I will let's before doing that thing, let's create a metric visual for this. It would be easy for understanding. So I've just taken a subcategory. Let's take a sales and let's take a order quantity order IDs and let me take a distinct count of it. So what does it means? Like your chart should be sorted by this particular order. The highest number of binder should be at the first, paper, furnishing, irrespective of the sales. So can we do it using a Power BI? Yes. So one thing, if you notice, like let's say if you want to sort it out, if I just go to click and sales, if I do it, let's say by order ID, will it going to do? No, because order ID is just a unique identifier kind of a thing, or let's say it's a random numbers which gives the order ID. So how you can do this? So there is an option that we can use as the tooltip option. So let's say, let me place this order ID in the tooltip and let's do the distinct count. I have it. Now, okay. Now, if I go to this Eclipse icon and go to sort axis, if you see now we have the three options to sort it. One is by the subcategory, the sales which I am already doing done, and the count of order ID. If I just remove this tooltip from here, let's say, then you won't find this particular option here. See, it has gone. So this is the one of the easiest way to, let's say, if we just an easy sorting needs to be done with some respect to some any measure or let's say some particularly column, then it helps a lot. So if I'm just do, let's say, count of this thing, and here you go. If you see the binder is at the top, paper, furnishing, phone, and like this. So one can build a story in this way. Once you go into the chart, for a binder, it has a sales, but it has the maximum number of order counts. So that kind of a business context and story can be developed around these things. So hope you are able to understand these things. Now let's jump to the next problem. What does it mean? So let me first remove these things. So what is the problem statement? Let's say we have a category, subcategory, sales kind of a drill down option here we have, and it looks like something like this. Okay. Now what I want, first let's make it in a proper shape and format. So what I can do is like sort axis again, and let's do it with the category. If you see, then everything is now clubbed into a single place. Okay. So this is something that you can just play around on it, and you can see how the things are. Okay. So this is the thing. Now this is being done and you have resolved it. Okay. You have just cleared your visuals and it makes more appealing to you. But when someone says, let's say I have to sort it by the sales. If you see here, the maximum sale is like this, then this, then this. The order is not correct, right? Even if you try to like do the sort by sales, it will again change the whole graph. That should not be the objective. Objective, it's like in a given category and subcategory level, we need to sort these things, and how we can do this in Power BI. Let's go. So for this, let me do one thing. Let me just create these things first. Let me create a one more metrics visual here, and so that makes our job easy to look around it. Uh, Sales, this, and let me go down low. So here you go. So based on this, what we are going to do is like, if you want to sort it at a furniture and its subcategory level, then let's say this table has the chair has the maximum sales, then it should be one. The table is the two. And likewise, within a category level, you have subcategory level, you have to give a sales rank value to each this thing. So let's first identify the rank values for this. How we can calculate this rank value. Let me quickly create a new measure here, and we are going to create this thing. So sorry, it is getting a bit hanged out. So rank order, and rank order again, it's getting hanged. So let me start with this. We can create the rank order for this. So we need two kind of rank order. First at a category level, and second at a subcategory level. So let's see. So let me do one thing. Category category rank. So what it exactly it is called? Oh, oops, my bad. I have not given the variable here. So where category rank, we will use the rank x function. It's quite easy. What we need, all all selected sales super store data. Then at what level we need to find is the category level we need to find. Category level, let me close this parenthesis. Then for what we have to need, we have the total sales. Total sales is nothing but the sum of sales that I have just created a measure. I will also show. And then we want in descending order, and then we need a dense script. So this is the first rank is being done. Okay. Now let's create another variable for subcategory rank. Subcategory rank here, I just need to change subcategory. So this will give you rank at a category level. This will give you rank at a subcategory level. Now, what we want as an output is whenever we are going to use these things, it should return me the correct rank. So for that, I will use the switch statement. And let me explain why I'm switch while I will demo these things because it would be more easy to visualize why I have used the switch statement here. So whenever your subcategory is in scope, you need to give a rank. Whenever in scope meaning, let's say I am into paper, I want to find out which rank it is. So when I say in scope, is paper is in scope? Yes. If it is yes, then what is the rank? Then let's say then there are two in scope we are required. First at a subcategory level, and second is at a category level, because technology is also having the total of some sales. So we want to rank that as well, right? Because in the chart you have the first is the technology, then second is your subcategory. So what we need? So whichever value is in scope for this, let's say first we will go to at a subcategory level. Subcategory level, if I go here, then return me subcategory rank, right? If I am in scope category level, then give me category rank, and we are done. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Let me hit enter, and let's jump back to the this, and what we have created a rank. So if you see, furniture has the second rank, and in the furniture, the bookcase has the third rank. So that is where the in scope comes into the picture, and you have to take care of these things. That first we are go with the innermost layer in switch statement, then we go with the outer layer. So this is something you need to be careful about this while creating this measure. Switch statement, it goes first to inner layer, and then it goes to outer layer. If I just switch this thing, it will not give the correct answer. Okay, so let's see. So we have the inner and outer layer rank. Now if we just followed the video, if you see, if I just use this particular rank order in my tooltip, can it be used to sort it? Let's see. If I just go here, and now what I can do, I can just rank order, say from by using rank order, I can just sort it out. Again, look, this is not correct, right? Why this is not correct? If you see, furniture has rank 1, office supply has also rank 1, technology has also rank 1. So these all things are actually getting confused by the chart. So this is not a definitely a solution for this. So what we need here right now, so what we need here is like, we need the outer rank. Let's say, just think in this way. If I just merge outer rank with the inner rank, when I say merge, is let's say outer rank is 2, my inner rank is 3 for bookcases. So that number will be 23. Likewise, for chair, it will be like 21. So each series will have a distinct number in an increasing order. Correct. Let's see how it can be done in using here also. So for this, I will just create a one more measure here. Let's see how we can do this. Uh, so let me just zoom in a bit so that you can easily follow these things. So rank order value. Okay, rank order. I'm just giving us some random names. Yeah. So what we need? We need the value. Value of what? Let's say furniture oblique furniture bookcase, that is the 23. How we can do these things? Let's see. So I will do the value here. Sorry, value. It requires some text. So what is exactly the text is? So let's calculate your whatever the rank you have calculated for given category. So I have the rank order, right? Once I have the rank order, for what I have the rank order, let's at a given level. So all selected, what we need, as I said earlier also, first we have to go for the inner layer and then go for the outer layer. Sales subcategory. So what it will do, whenever the rank order we need to calculate, if you are at a subcategory level, it will skip this and it will give you the category levels rank. So here the output will be your office supply rank, that is 4. Uh, technology rank 1. So this is what your ranking would be like this. And if I just concatenate this particular rank with, let me close. If I just concatenate this rank with my innermost layer. So innermost is nothing but again the rank order. This might be confusing. Let's go again. So let's say if you want to find a rank for technology, how you will going to do this? Because this rank order gives rank at subcategory and category level, right? So first we need to exclude the subcategory level. So for that exclusion, we have written this all selected one. So we are excluded this thing. So this particular part, the highlighted part output will be the rank 1. Then we will go to one level down, that is accessories. This is the rank order will be calculated. So let's see. Let me hit the enter first, and then you will understand what exactly I'm saying. So what I can do, I can just bring it here. If you see what it has done, it has concatenated the 2 with 3, 2 with 1 like this. And now I'll just, let's say, go back one level up, and it should have the same rank, if you see. Because what it is, then we have seen that thing, we have to skip the subcategory level, then calculate the rank, which is 2, then concatenate again with the rank order. So 2 2, that's why 3 3 and 1 1. So this is how you will get a unique series of values that will help us to sort it. If I just sort it by this, like this, let's select this like this, 11, 12, 13, 14, then that issue of having a same rank here, 1, 1, it's not there. It's a new series that is 21. Now, one more thing here to catch it up is like for this particular thing, let's say office supply is giving us 4, which is right now I'm not going to focus on that particular thing because my focus is to get this correct rank order. Okay, even if it is a tie case, it will tackle this thing. So that should not be in a problem. So this should be your, when I sort this particular chart with this rank order value, this should be your order. Let's see. If I go here, I will just, in a tooltip, I will add the rank order. I have added the rank order value. Go to Xlip icon, then sort, and then rank order. I have done sorting in a different, let's do this ascending. So technology, phone, technology, machine, technology, accessories, in this, if you see the chart looks good. What I can do just to make it better, let me do one more thing. Can I just put legend here in the category? If you see, it clearly differs, right? All the things. So, but we need to do some, I guess what I can do here is layout, hide category. Yes, but still it does. Okay, what I have done. This is something that we need to check, like how we can format this particular thing, which is subject to, let's say, subject to your space and everything. We need to check it out, and then we have to check like how we can just maneuver over the things. So as of now, let me remove these things, but it is doable. I have done these things previously also. So it depends on your shape and the size and everything. We need to check and do this thing. But yeah, the core objective, it's like at a two level, multi-level dimension fields can be sorted with the same field. Yes, we can. And how we can do this, we can create a rank order, so rank order unique values, and that will help you to sort it out. So hope you are able to follow this point. If you are able to, please subscribe my channel and follow for more Power BI updates. Thank you so much.